Hey there. Yesterday I finished up making these clouds. Um, Not super impressive for an hour of work, but I think we learned a lot. I think we went pretty deep. At least I did in my learnings here. I hope you learned something as well. Continuing along the same vein of what I've kind of been doing all week, I'm going to continue with the night city illustration theme. Excuse me. I think I'm going to add stars to this night sky. Um, it'll be kind of interesting maybe to try to figure out how to add a whole bunch. It wasn't very fun even positioning these three. I can't imagine what it'll be to position, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 stars on a screen. So let's get going here. Make a new pen, and we will see what we get to. Oop, not a post, a pen. And we'll just kind of pick up where we left off, I guess, yesterday with this night sky looking thing. Cool. And now I need a star. This whole drawing in CSS, it's interesting. Like, I'm definitely making very slow progress, and I could probably be doing this much better ways in Photoshop or Illustrator or Sketch. But so far, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I'm enjoying what I'm learning, and I really do think this has value. If anything, just to understand layout in CSS a little better. I hope to be able to apply this. I hope to be able to make, I don't know, some interesting animations or some interesting home screens or logos, etc. We'll see where this takes me. I hope you're not bored yet either. So anyways, I imagine a couple stars will have a couple different sizes. We'll start with one small one first. Sure, I'll save. I don't know. So we know, well, I know that I want the stars to be circular. They're all going to be circle. Maybe some will be bigger than others. We'll find out. And I'll make them, I don't know, kind of big, kind of small, actually kind of small. Let's see if that's big enough. And the background color will be that shiny yellow stuff. Portofino is the color. Look at that. Actually, it's a little big for my taste. Maybe 12. Maybe 10. Cool, that works. So obviously the challenge now is how the heck to get a bunch of these on the screen in many different places. I mean, to start, I can do this, but I don't really want to do this too long. I'm literally going to have like 100 of these, or 30 of them, I don't know. But just for fun, we'll do this. You can kind of see where I'm going with this. Maybe I'll make this one just a little bigger, and I'll make the other one just a little smaller. Oh, shoot. Cool. And this will be 3. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I mean that's starting to look like a sky. That's pretty neat actually. Um, but I want to do a bunch of these. I could write some Sass, I guess, because I know that has loops. I could write some Haml. I know that has loops. Or I could do some JavaScript, and I think I'm gonna do JavaScript. I wanna. Oh, I don't know if that's a great idea. Yeah, I think I'm going to. I think I'm gonna dynamically add these. It's kind of sad, but I'm going to. Okay, maybe I'll find a better way. But can I quick add jQuery? Yeah, and I definitely don't even need jQuery for this, but sue me, I'm going to. So I want a bunch of stars. I don't know, 100. Go back to having 1 star. So I don't need these anymore. And I'm just going to add a bunch. So let's do this. I wonder if I can use ES6. What do you think? It's not complaining, that's cool. The reason I want to do ES6 is I want like I don't know how to do math random. Oh gosh. Actually, maybe I can just use I here. So the top would be like I. I'm gonna need a random math. Random number. Oh, math.random. I almost typed that. I should really know this. Maybe after this video I'll know it because like stream myself doing it. So between 1 and 6. All right, cool. Math random between 1 and 6. Okay, I'll do 1 and 10. Let me make this a little bigger. I actually don't really need the HTML anymore because, look at that. Because I'm adding all the HTML JavaScript. Okay, so that'll get me that. Probably gonna need to mess with that. Really, I want a random number between 1 and like 200. Because it's probably 1 to 200 here. Which I could find out here quickly. What's the upper limit I want? If I put top 200, it's down there. It's maybe 300? 250. Yeah, 250 works. So that's that. And then left, how far can I go? If I do left 100%, what happens? Is that all the way over there? %. Yeah, okay. So I want the left to be probably 1 to 95. Cool. So random up and down, random left and right. That's kind of cool. So then I can just inline style this like a boss. I thought that would work. Oh, because I need a $sign. Nothing. For var I equals 0, I is less than 100, I plus plus. Bunch of this document dot append. Div of the class of the star with style of this, and then end the div. We'll make it one line. Document dot append. Add element jQuery. Document dot append. Dude, I had it right. Bummer. Alright, do I have an error? Console. Well, 38 of them. Good. No. Left equals this, top equals this. Okay, so does it not like me as 6? Let's find out. That's fine if it doesn't. Should add a bunch of these. How many are there? I now have 40 errors, that's cool. Yep, definitely only have 1 star. Alright. I don't have a document. Alright, so I need to, that's fine. I'll do that. And I'll just make the sky position relative. Sky position relative. And now can I add a star inside? Div class is a star. And 1 star should show up. Great. So now I'll just do this and add it to sky. Now 500 of them should show up. Great. So look at that. All right. So we're in business. It just didn't like me adding it to document, which is fine. So now that should go everywhere. Nope. Left equals, oh right, not equal signs. I need colons. Ha, cool. Okay, so that's way too many stars. How about 40? That's a little better. My random number generator doesn't really feel that random. It's kind of odd to me that they're like kind of bunched up. It's kind of annoying, actually. But whatever. Yeah, that's like super annoying, actually. But anyway, that's all I need to generate a bunch of stars. I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Just kind of messing around here. So there's all I go, yeah, that's dumb. I don't want to do that. I guess, I don't know. Maybe it would just look nice if I just had a few. Whoa. Oh. You don't really like this random approach, to be honest with you. I kind of want pseudo-random. If that's the case, okay, all right. Well, I'm just gonna go. I don't know. Try to find someone CodePen then. I'm sure someone's done this. I don't know. I hope you learned something here. But it's I don't know. I can't really explain why I don't like it. It doesn't feel sweet. So star, sky. Let's say sky. I'm kind of looking for one that I know is CSS. This looks pretty CSS-ly. So what did this guy do? Oh, he also used jQuery. I'm sorry, JavaScript. Oh, he randomizes size. I can do that. Do rand size is this. Yeah, I should do that. That'd be fun. Okay, I'm stealing this. So 5 plus math random times 8. Math rand times 8. Okay. I don't get it. What does math.random return? JavaScript. I should know these things. Returns a random number 0 and 1. Okay. So this would be 0 or 1 plus 5 times 8. Alright, that's totally fine with me. I don't want to format this. I would just do it by semicolons. It's funny, I said I don't like the randomness, and I'm putting more random in. Sorry. It probably hates that. What's that? Unknown bar. Where? Oh. That's kind of cooler. Kind of fun. Okay, so get rid of all these random things. And then he like moves his, which I don't want to do yet. Yeah, then he's like wiggling them, which is pretty cool. I don't know. I guess random's cool, especially if they're gonna move. All right, whatever. I guess I can put this as a function. Just because Oops. I actually want it to be okay, fine. Let's try an ES6. I failed. Tidy up. That'll do. Okay, that's cool. It's growing on me. I don't love it. So I think I want to animate this like super slowly, and not like take forever writing the code. That's not what I mean, but like animate it left to right super slowly. I just realized I don't have any lights on. I'm gonna go turn one on. Ooh. Okay. So this was pretty easy to animate left to right. I think I just said slide left, and I just moved over the margin. Okay. So I should remember the syntax. It's kind of hard for me to remember. Animation slide left, a second linear infinite. Okay. So animation, the name. Infinite. And that looks something like keyframe slide left. Okay. Keyframes. And that takes, it's a kind of like a weird like dictionary looking thing. Like that's the key, this is the value. Margin left. 110%. Go. Nothing. And that's the sky. Position relative. These are position absolutes. What I miss. Slide left. Margin left 100%. 100%. Keyframe. Slide left. Just take the whole thing. Go. There we go. Oh, so what was I doing wrong? Keyframes out. Okay. That's so weird. Okay, this is not going to work at all. And I thought I'm doing this on the sky. Sky append. So what does this look like? All the stars should be within sky. And they are. Oh no, it looks all weird. Div class sky. What's the deal? It's so odd. And then a bunch of stars. Not as easy as it was yesterday. Pretty bonkers. Because that's the sky. It's position relative. And that's exactly what I did yesterday. Yep. And then these are all position absolute with tops and left. Position absolute, tops and left. How frustrating. Append. Add. Insert after, prepend. I can try add, but I don't think it'll do anything different. Add. Didn't even work. Append. It's definitely the right thing. All right, so back to CodePen. So maybe I shouldn't slide these left and right. Maybe that's dumb. Maybe what I should do is like pulsate them. Let's do that. Ooh, that's hard because I don't know the size. Okay, so screw the size. We'll change that in a second. So that's fine. This is not working out too well. Take these out. Look, I'm deleting code. I sure like doing that. All right. New plan. I instead am going to twinkle the stars. So I'll call it Twinkle. And this will last for 3 seconds. And it'll be linear. Oh, probably it won't be. I want to change it in a second. And it'll be infinite. So that, I find some of this animation stuff to be hard to remember. The syntax of. So this would be like height. We're going to twinkle at the same time. All right, I'll deal with this in a second. There'll probably be different star types to twinkle at different. They'll twinkle at different like paces, I guess. Whoa, that's weird. I have no idea what's happening. So they should be circles now. Oh, what am I doing? Pixels. Okay, so they shouldn't move. So now if I say in the middle of the animation, they'll go up to like 12 or something. That's so awful. What if I make it faster? There you go, they're twinkling. They look pretty nice. That's so gross. So this linear, I thought, I don't know, it's probably fine. So I wonder, like, I kind of wish I could get like its original height and width and like move it up a couple percentages. That's kind of cool, actually. Yeah, some more. That's pretty neat. Hmm. All right, well, I think I tackled the sky. They got twinkling sky. I should probably add a moon, huh? I'm gonna add a moon. So let's do it. Let's add a moon to the sky. Does a moon twinkle? Not really, huh? Why the heck does that look like that? Either CodePen's wigging out or I'm typing something very wrong. Oh, I need that. Wow, was that like that the whole time? Oops. Okay. So what's a moon? Well, a moon will be absolutely positioned. And for now, it'll be a circle. And it'll also be, what's this called? Portofino. Where's my moon? And I think my moon is going to be, why didn't that show up? Oh, it'll be like in the top of the sky, so like 10 pixels. And the left will be like 88%. Show up over here somewhere. Where the heck's my moon? Oh, because it needs to be background color. Somewhere around here. Cool. It's a square moon, so we're going to make it not square by giving it a border radius. Okay. And then I think I want to like half moon it. And how I'm going to do a half moon is do a pseudo element. And I can never remember if it's 1 colon or 2. I think it's 2. This will also wow. Let's do this first. I kind of want to see where it's going to show up. I'm going to make it black. Where's it going to go? Well, I'll make it like green for now. Okay, so it's just not hanging out there. So I think well, if I do position relative, how did I do for this clouds? The clouds had absolutes and I can move them. Okay. And I'll just move them around. That's fine. So I must have the syntax wrong. Nope, it's cloud dot dot. Oh, that's important. I need this. The after, or the content rather. That's the thing. Yeah. So if it's like that, got nothing. Hopefully. No, it still shows up. Fascinating. So either with a space or not a space, it's cool. Interesting. All right, so that kind of looks like a I almost thought like a Death Star and a TIE fighter or something. It's kind of neat. But what I want here is a smaller circle with, was it 3 through 3? Oh, it should still be green until I know what I'm doing. About 80. Should sit like right here. And then I'll change this to 3, 3, 3, and this should like look all nice. Oh, I need a border radius, of course. 25 pixels. Close. I think it needs to be a little bigger. Look at that. It's kind of trippy now that you can see. You can almost like make the circle out in your brain that it's there. Like if I make this green again, you can kind of see what's going on. But when it goes back, like at first glance, like that's a moon, man. But knowing that black circle's there, you can kind of see it. That's pretty cool. So I got twinkling stars and a moon. Pretty neat. That might be it for today. That might be the last thing. I'm not totally wild about this, but that's what it's going to have to be. If I want 40 stars. I don't really want 40 elements over here. That seems crazy. I like it. Let's save this. More set to jet. Okay, well, until next time. If you have any suggestions of things we can illustrate or draw, let me know. I'm happy to do them. We'll see what I pick up next week. I don't even know if it'll be CSS, but I'm still having fun, so I'm going to keep doing it. Okay, see you later.